Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is November 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Palantir is having pretty much of a sideways day today. So we are down 6 cents. 0.29%. We closed at $20.59. Post market, we are down 2 cents. So what do we have here? We have indecision. The stock does not know what it needs to do. So because we have a very small body, so the open and the close are very close together. So we opened at 20.59 and we closed at 20.59. So we are just pitch perfect. And we have the same amount of wicket above the body and at the bottom of the body. This is pretty much a sideways D. So it means that we don't see this move towards 1790. We don't see it yet. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, this is 23rd. We opened up here at around $20.60, went as high as $21. The high of the day is $21.05. So this is pretty high, but then we were squished down. But then after that, a little bit of indecision, then we went down, and then we have been up for the past 3 candles, and we closed at $20.59. Looking at the stochastic, so 28 stochastic on 1 hour chart, still extremely weak. RSI came overbought and came back in. So that may be a little bit of a good news on the hourly chart. MACD crossed over bullish on the hourly chart. So maybe things are starting to move back up a little bit. These are just very small signs. So we'll have to have other signs to see if this pans out or not. Let's go see the daily chart. So on the daily chart, the indicators at, so stochastic at 765, still super low. RSI getting close to being oversold. Everything else is pretty bad. I redrew one of the support lines that we had in the past. This is $20.56. So this is a double resistance. The $21 resistance was used on March 25th, also March 30th, and so on. This $20.56 was used as a second resort support, and we used it in the past. I'm trying to remember where. Yeah, right here. So we used it here in the past, and we seem to be using it again today. This is going to be interesting. So maybe we are bottoming out. Maybe. I'm not sure about that yet. We'll need to have other clues to be more sure about that. We are going to need stochastic to climb back up as the stock moves back towards 21. Let's just keep observing so that we can be ready when the stock does something interesting for us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. You can become a YouTube member for $5 a month, or you can click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to use this great tool. And there's a Black Friday discount on TradingView. So click on my affiliate link and you can get TradingView at 60% off. So that's a lot. That's a huge discount. Click it now. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.